You're welcome to another video. We are given that 5 raised to x minus 1 is equals to 75. So we are told to find the actual value of x in this particular exponential index type of an equation. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution. We're going to find the value of x and, if possible, verify it. So if you are watching us for the first time, like this video, comment, turn your notification on, and straight away let us dive into the solution. We are told that 5 raised to x minus 1 is equals to 75. The first approach that I'm going to use, I'm going to recall that wherever you have a number whose base is a raised to maybe m minus n, then this can be simplified as a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Since the powers are subtracted, then the bases should be divided like that. So that means this is going to change to 5 raised to x over 5 raised to 1 should be equals to 75. Well, I'm going to introduce a fraction on both sides so that if I cross multiply, I'm going to get 5 raised to x is equals to, of course, 5 multiplied by 75. When I cross multiply, this is what I get. The next step that I'm going to do is introduce the log on both sides of this equation. So when I introduce the log, it's going to be log 5 raised to x should be equals to log 5 multiplied by 75. So well, next step, if you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this can be splitted as the log of a plus the log of b. That is what I'm going to apply here, so that I end up with the x going to come down as x to the log of 5 should be equals to log of 5 plus the log of 75. Next, for me to remain with x, I'm going to divide all through by the log of 5 by the log of 5 like that, so that I'm going to end up with x is equals to, so this and this going to cancel. I'm going to get the log of 5, and I'm writing this as a single fraction or splitting it. I'm going to end up with log 5 over the log of 5, and then plus log of 75 divided by the log of 5. So it is easy to see that log 5 and log 5 are going to cancel, so that I end up with x should is equals to 1 plus log of 75 divided by the log of 5. Next step, I know that 75 can be written as the product of 25 times 3. So rewriting it here, I'm going to end up with x is equals to 1 plus the log of 25 multiplied by 3 divided by the log of 5. Splitting this using this relationship, I'm going to end up with now x is equals to 1 plus the log of 25 over 5 over the log of 5 plus the log of 3 divided by the log of 5 and this 25, I know that 25 can be written as 5 squared. So rewriting this here, I'll end up with now x is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 squared over the log of 5 plus the log of 3 divided by the log of 5. These two can come this side so that I end up with x is equals to 1 plus 2 to the log of 5 divided by the log of 5 plus the log of 3 divided by the log of 5. So at this stage, it is clearly easy to see that log of 5 and log of 5 are going to cancel. And then I end up with now x is equals to 1 plus 2 plus, at the same time, if you're going to recall that when you have the log of a over the log of b, this can be written as a single log as log a to the base b. I'll write that using this approach. And then this is going to change to the log of 3 to base 5, meaning that my final solution of x now becomes 1 plus 2 is 3 plus the log of 3 base 5 as the required solution of x for our typical equation which we were asked. We're going to go ahead and verify. We had that 5 raised to x minus 1 is equals to 75. So wherever I have x, I can try substituting this so that I have 5 raised to power 3 plus the log of 3 base 5 minus 1 should give me 75. So guys, at this stage, if you're still watching us, kindly share this video, leave a comment, turn your notification on, and most importantly, subscribe. So expanding this, I'm going to end up with 5 raised to power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the log of 3 base 5 and then divide by 5 raised to 1, since the power is subtracted, should give me 75. So solving this, I'm gonna get 5 raised to 3, and of course the base is 5 and the log 3 to base 5, so the base and the base is same. So this and this is gonna cancel so that I remain with 3, and then divide by 5 should give me 75. Of course, simplifying, this is 5 power 3 and this is 5. I'm gonna end up with 5 squared multiplied by 3 is equals to 75. Of course, 5 squared, I'm getting it as 25 multiplied by 3, ending up with 75. And indeed, 75 is equals to 75. And that is my final verification for our actual value of x, which was 3 to the log of 3 base 5. And we have come to the end of this particular tutorial. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share. Until we meet again in the next video. goodbye for now.